Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can download and install Tachiyomi application on your Android device. So if you are new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend, and in case you get any problem with all the installation procedures, kindly let me know in the comment section. I'll be helping you out in that particular problem. So the first step, you're going to open your Google Chrome or any form of browser. If not Google Chrome, use any other form of browser, and then you're going to use your search bar, and then you're going to type in the following. Type in Tachiyomi GitHub, and then visit that site. Give it some few seconds so that it can be able to load up the page. So this is what you're going to be. They will be bringing you the following. So you're going to choose the first website, and then give it some few seconds to load up. Don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. Let's give it some few seconds so that it can be able to open this web page. So it has opened the web page, and then scroll down like this. Scroll down. You're going to be able to see. Let us scroll down. So we're going to come to the release page. So you're going to be seeing such a kind of error. So you're going to go back, and then you're going to look for the assets right here in the release. So once you choose release, scroll down, and then you're going to be seeing the following assets. So I kindly recommend you to use the 15.3, this one, APK, this one, the one for 50 MBs. Choose that one, and then download that application in this way. So choose download and save it in your download folder. Give it some few seconds to download. As you see, let us wait for it to download for like those seconds. So it has finished downloading, and it is that one. Choose it, and then choose the option of installation. Give it some few seconds to install it in your device. Let us wait for it to be installed. As you see, it has finally been installed. Check open. By doing that, you would have installed, and then you are free to customize it as you want, and then check next. You can select the folder, and then that is it. We are done installing this application on our device. Let us meet in the next tutorials. The application is right here on my screen. I'll sign out. Don't forget to subscribe.